Hello and welcome to this new Atlantic tutorial. Today, we're going to see how to connect the domestic backup heater on our new range of Duo heat pumps. Unlike our previous range, the backup heater is no longer connected in the electrical box, but directly on the hot water tank. So be careful not to connect to the out terminal of the main terminal block. This output delivers a 230-volt power supply, and connecting here could cause a short circuit and damage the control board. Now let's move on to the connection. From the electrical panel, run a 3G 1.5 cable protected by a 16-amp C-curve circuit breaker. This cable will then connect to the backup heater's power terminal block, located at the side hatch of the tank. Now, let's look at the steps to follow. Start by following the instructions on the cover to remove it and access the terminal block. Once the terminal block is accessible, use a flathead screwdriver to press the white part on the front of the connector. Then insert your cable. During transport, the safety aquastat may trip, so before turning the power back on, make sure it is reset. To do this, press the red reset button using a small flathead screwdriver. Once this check is done, you can close the cover and turn the power back on. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another Atlantic tutorial.